Welcome to this beginner's guide to Revolut SWIFT transfer. Revolut is a popular digital banking app that allows users to send and receive money internationally. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of making a SWIFT transfer using Revolut. Firstly, it is essential to understand what a SWIFT transfer is. SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication and is a secure messaging system used by banks to facilitate international money transfers. A SWIFT transfer is a type of international money transfer that uses this system to move funds between banks. To make a SWIFT transfer using Revolut, you will need to have a Revolut account and sufficient funds in your account. You can then follow these steps. Open the Revolut app and navigate to the Payments tab. Select the option to send money abroad and choose the currency you want to send. Enter the recipient's details, including their name, bank account number, and SWIFT code. The SWIFT code is a unique identifier for the recipient's bank and is usually 8 or 11 characters long. You can find the SWIFT code on the recipient's bank statement or by contacting their bank directly. Once you have entered the recipient's details, you can review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. It is crucial to ensure that all the details are correct, as incorrect information may result in the transfer being delayed or rejected. Revolut will then convert your money to the recipient's currency using the current exchange rate and send the funds to the recipient's bank via the SWIFT network. The transfer time can take several days, depending on the recipient's bank and the SWIFT network. You can track the status of your transfer in the Revolut app. It is also important to note that SWIFT transfers may incur fees, including a transfer fee and a conversion fee. To avoid any issues with your SWIFT transfer, make sure to double-check the recipient's details and ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account. Additionally, be aware of the exchange rates and fees associated with the transfer. By following these steps and best practices, you can make a successful SWIFT transfer using Revolut. In conclusion, making a SWIFT transfer using Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By understanding the key concepts and following the best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can send money internationally with confidence.